Hello guys, myself Bagel and I am from Bhopal. Right now I am pursuing BE from Bansal Institute and I am searching for Python training, and I have searched in Google and I found it. myTectra Institute is in Bangalore. I went there and found after that I have taken demo classes there, and after demo class I joined the myTectra Institute. Right now my trainer is Mr. Santosh sir. He is taking theoretical class as well as practical class, and I recommended to join that myTectra Institute. Thank you, myTectra.
Hi, I am Narendran. I am from Tamil Nadu. I did BE graduate in Computer Science and Engineering. I have 5 years experience with Reliance Jio and L&T construction. I am an IT support engineer and system. I have 3 years experience in system admin also, and I have some like towards Python programming. So I am searching so many centers and I attend so many demo classes from different institutes, and I saw so many reviews from Google. So this for me this institute is better. I mean particularly myTectra is good for me. So I attend this demo classes. I mean my tutor is Santosh. So he gave me only one class, but from that one class he pulled me to join in this institute. So I joined here, and almost 1.5 months I taken his class. And before joining here I don't know anything about programming. After joining here on my own I create my own program, and I did so many algorithms on my own. Because of him only, he give good concepts and real-time examples also. So that other than that, he is giving interview aspects also. He is giving so many examples and how to clear the interview. And other than that, he is giving automation parts and development parts. He gives two different. He explained two different automation and development also. And that's good for us to where we need to go and where we need which one we need to select. Same as like that aspects he is giving. So for me, he is the one of the best tutor in Bangalore. I think I mean I attend 2-3 demo classes. That's why I said this much confidence. He is best for me, and because of him only I am here now. So I request you all to join myTectra. Even Python is very good. Python classes are very good because of him only. Thank you, myTectra.
I am Pankaja. I am a working professional. I had a few years of experience in other domain like image processing and C. I wanted to shift to this new technology, Python. So I found myTectra was a place where I could learn this new technology, Python, under Raghu sir. And the classes which Raghu sir took were very interesting. All my doubts were cleared on the same day. We spent time executing lot of programs. All my doubts were cleared. We had a good interaction with all our few classmates, and also the interaction was very good with Raghu sir. I mean, there was a friendly interaction that helped me to gain a lot of knowledge in Python. So now I've joined a tech company with this technology. So myTectra helped me a lot in shifting my technology, and I recommend students to join myTectra to improve their skills and knowledge. Thanks to myTectra once again for helping me in my career.
Myself Vishwadeep Patil from Maharashtra. I am here in myTectra for Python programming. I had a good experience in learning programming. I was not knowing anything about programming, but because of the good experienced trainers, we had a great time with all staff and the trainers. We came to know about myTectra through website, and we got the familiar staff and enjoyable. Thank you for myTectra for giving us precious time.
I am Sai Nagendra. I am from Kolkata. When I heard about myTectra, I was not sure about how it would go, how they will teach, but after coming here and taking the classes, I got to know that it was the best institute where I could learn the hardest of topics in the easiest of way. All thanks to Santosh who helped us understand the hardest of topics in the easiest of way, which we will keep in our minds or we will remember it for our life and we can never forget that. And all thanks to myTectra.